Browsholme Hall, pronounced Bruceholme apparently. When I had that look round it. Sort of interesting but not that impressive. Andrew Parker was the chap's name. And I think he thought I was being a bit of a smart ass because I mentioned these lovely flat, big square lawn at the front. I said this would be ideal for archery or even air rifle shooting. I said a stack of bales with some old plates on, pottery plates, which make a good effect when they're hit by air rifle pellets. And he said, actually we book weddings, we have a lake, we have weddings and things. I said, oh, yes, weddings and things, yes. It's a bit of mulch, isn't it? That's with his canopy. Oh no, this is nice. This is what I had in mind when I thought of an autumn ride. Can you see? Bit bare, that one's a bit bare, that one's a bit bare. But yes, autumn, golden autumn, and autumn brown, yes, lovely. It's lovely. Am I getting bitten by the biking bug again after all that 2 months off when I was fed up? I must admit I got a bit, what's the word, complacent. No, I mean, do you enjoy every bike ride out no matter where you are? It's like someone that must live in London like I do. Do you get fed up of doing the same old videos, turning around the streets like he does? I've not watched any of his videos. In fact, I've not watched many people's videos for quite some time. They seem to alter the bloody listings on YouTube. Normally they'd flag up 1122, and now you have to actually check the subscribers or people you subscribe to see if they've got a new video out. It used to flag up, didn't it? Why bugger about messing with stuff? And also on Google, it's been done for a while, but they've amalgamated my Beatles YouTube channel onto my Gmail account. So now when I send an email, it looks like a silly bloody joke, because I'm going through that tribunal thing. So what is Beatles and solo TV stuff? I said, yeah, it's my Beatles channel. And I don't know how to remove it to just go back to normal Gmail again. I said, it looks silly. I haven't got a clue. I thought of taking it to that computer shop. You know, and have him say, can you get shut of this silly bloody reference to my YouTube thing? And you should be able to do it, because I'm afraid I'm just clueless about anything. I'm not computer savvy at all. Alright, enough of my waffling. So, late October, autumn colours. This is just stop and a carry on. How's this microphone? Okay, I hope. Just a slight hiss because it's catching on my collar. Very well designed jacket this. I'm surprised at how well it is designed for a budget jacket. Stand-up collar with a soft neck with a velcro thing that goes round and fastens at the side. A stand-up collar. And like I keep saying to people, do a bike walk around. Quite often we like to see people's bikes, don't we? Even if we've done many before, keep doing them. Bandit Nev, have we had a look at your bike? Have you done a walk around? His new bike, Smoky, although it is another Suzuki. It's a different model, I forgot, sorry. Instead of using wax on my chain, I've used that super lube stuff, that American stuff. That's meant to go in the gearbox. That's looking a bit grotty. So I'm not going to jet wash it or anything. It's, like I said, it's my work commuting bike as well, so of course it's going to get grimy. I'm pleased about the fiberglassing of that chain guard door. Worked very well. All that faffing about for years, making a big plastic washer to try and hold it on, and it pinged off. Then I drilled a 10 pence piece, put it behind it. That didn't work. Then big rubber washers, that didn't work. And I had a bloody fiberglass repair kit all the time in my cupboard of accessories. Twerp. If in doubt, get your fiberglass repair kit out and mend it. Don't faff around with washers and things. Just get some fiberglass matching on it, get it sorted. So there we are, old Hornet 900, 2004, but under the seat it says 2002. Stopped making it in 2007. Downtuned Fireblade engine, 919. And it's called a 919 in America. They are not Acropovic silencers, it's a fake sticker, good quality one. And just after I bought them, the lad's advert was banned because they were counterfeit, weren't they? But I just liked the look of it, so I thought, yeah, I'll get a couple at only £4 a pair. About 9 months ago. And the horn's still alright. Always check your horns, you never know when they're going to pick up. That's the coast over there. Blackpool, nice and sunny in Blackpool. When am I going to do the illuminations run? I don't know. Should I go tonight? Let's test me horn. Yep, you might think I'm in distress. I'm just testing it. Any listeners are for me? Actually, there's someone in trouble over there. Bleeper still working under the seat. And for people who are new subscribers, I'll show you what I'm on about with the Tarzan horn. You might not know. That's my U-lock. Always carry a U-lock underneath your seat as it's designed for them. This is a special thick one I got from Aldi, only relatively cheap. Thin ones are no good, are they? Cut through them with a hacksaw, but this is 13mm, I think. Is this still working? This has been inside for over a month, unused. The black box, oops, black, oh, dropped in a little stream, marvellous. And the little black box is in that leather pouch. This goes on the Velcro. Tucks under there to hide the wire, well, hide most of the wiring. Put this back. Because I did all the upholstery and stapling, it's a bit tough to fit this. It's thickened everything up. And consequently, what if I move, that twerp. You have to press, that's where the lock is, so just press there with your knuckles and it just pops into place. Tuck that under there. Now then, is it still working? I wired the power switch here. No. Bugger. What's happened? Has the plug worked loose yet again? Yeah, looks intermittent, doesn't it? Yeah, look at that. It's going to be faffing about. I keep having to do this. What the better solution is? Because it's a fuse, it's wise to use a fuse with something like that. But of course we're putting the seat on and the seat thing goes down here and disturbs the fitting. I should have used some fresh tape last time I did all this. I think I just used the old tape, it feels second hand. It's not even sticking. Right, where's it go? Are you bored yet? See, it's that one. I bent it because I had it resting on it rather than keep stabbing it. So I bent it over on purpose. And that may not be very wise. Let's see if it disturbs it again. Look, imagine if I locked my key under the seat, that'd be good, wouldn't it? Freewheel down to that pub. And then ring for a taxi. Right. Well, it's sort of there, but this was just going to be a demo for people that don't know what I'm on about with the Tarzan horn. It's just a silly thing I bought many years ago. To amuse myself and passers by. Road runner. That's a horse. That's a silly donkey. If you press two together, so that's it. There's another noise, it's meant to be a chicken, but it sounds nothing like it. So there, a little silly horn I've got. It's a lot louder than you'd think. You know, people have said that. It sounds quiet with this helmet on, but it is actually louder. Right, well, when I get home, I'll improve that plug fitting. I'm still recording, I'll just check.